Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut templates not showing in TikTok. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. First thing to do is to make sure you are watching a video which is being created by a template. So for example, if somebody's downloaded the video and re-uploaded it, that is why the button may not be available on a specific video. So what you want to do is go to TikTok and go to the Friends page by clicking the Friends icon at the top left corner of your screen. After that, you would need to go to the top right and click on the search icon and feature. What you need to do is search on CapCut templates so you may be led to the templates that would actually be visible and working. For example, this one right here is the actual template because you can see the try this template message at your screen. Scroll down and see if these templates are appearing because remember, if a video is re-uploaded, you may not be able to see this button. But if those still does not work, you can try switching accounts or offloading your TikTok application. In that way, your application may be refreshed and erase all errors present that is prohibiting you to see the CapCut templates that are not appearing on your end before. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.